It's a Saturday night and he's working late. My husband has been really busy lately. I hate that he gets just one leave a week, but I love that he can always make up for it. He says he loves me. I'm not a housewife for nothing because most people don't know how tough it is to create the perfect household for your family. It's not that I didn't have the option to work outside. It's just that I chose not to because what my husband does and what I do are equally important. We both are running companies. It's just that he makes money out of it. We both have employees under us. It's just that he has managers and I have maids. We both are trying to make two ends meet. He by earning the money and me by planning the expenditure. But this isn't about my career choices. This is about my love, my husband who after a tiresome day of work comes back home to his wife. He opens the bedroom door, I'm lying on the bed with lots of pain in my head. He starts unbuttoning his shirt, taking off his tie. I get up to help. He holds me by my waist, pulls me towards his body. I say no. I had cramps in my stomach. I'm sorry for having my periods on a Saturday night, but it's okay. I'm sure he'll understand because he says he loves me. So I whisper into his ear the state my body is in. He laughs it off and says, I'll manage something out. I look at him and say, there's nothing that needs to be managed, but my body is in no state to make any love to you. He pushes me onto the bed and jumps on me as if making love to him wasn't an option, but an obligation. He says he loves me, so it didn't matter what state my body was in. I had to. It was my duty. I hated this quality about my husband. He was really dominating both in bed and in the marriage, but he slept early that night. And I didn't. Because it hurt. But love hurts, right? So next morning he wakes up and he wants tea in bed. I request him to make the tea, but he says no. So I make the tea. Because that's also what love is about, right? Understanding when your partner says no, but my no had lesser value than his no, and it's justified because he earns for the family and I don't. But what happened last night repeated tonight, and my periods were still not over. But this time, I came to my senses. Thank God for social media. I came across an article. The article spoke about a phrase I had never even heard of, marital rape. How could it be rape if we were married? How could he be jailed for loving his wife? It all sounded so unreal but felt so true. He had been raping me now for months and years. He never asked me yes or no. I had to, is what my parents taught me, because no wife should say no to her husband because he says he loves you. But you could have said no to him when you were on your period, and you could have said no to him when you felt unwell, and you could have said no to him because you just didn't want to. So many wives have been victims of marital rape since years. So many husbands have turned into legal rapists from lovers. So many families have asked women not to speak about this harassment. So many FIRs have never even had the option of getting filed. So many young boys have been taught this crime as a ritual. So many young daughters have been trained to fulfill their duties toward their spouses. I never had the option to work. It was an illusion. He didn't want me to. That was the truth. But as the society says, if marital rape isn't an actual thing and being a housewife is a job, then isn't this harassment at workplace?